There's a lot of certified trainers that are bat certified. Show us your ceiling fan. All right, hold on. Ooh, super cool. Burnt light bulb. Menard special right there.
What happened? Show us your ceiling fan.
The heck?
Okay. What happened? What happened, man? I don't work there no more. I quit. Show us your ceiling fan. Why?
Show us your ceiling fan? There you go. You see that shit?
Show us your ceiling fan. I don't have a ceiling fan.
So I just posted a video on YouTube, and it'd be really cool if you guys watched it. I don't have a ceiling fan. I wish I did though.
Yeah, the Saints are pretty good too.
Jeff Goodman is reporting that SMU has been hit with a postseason ban for this season.
No, we don't have a ceiling fan in here. Here in Austin, Texas. Show us my ceiling fan. It's in the other way, bro. I'll show you in a little bit.
Random.
Show us your ceiling fan.
I mean, it's a real attractive one.
It's a pretty nice fan. The twinkling stars in the sky reminds me of... I don't have a ceiling fan. I'm actually outside live streaming.
Let me see my ceiling fan. Alright, hold up. It's my ceiling fan right here. That one.
Show us your ceiling fan. There is no ceiling fan in Central AC.
Yeah, we don't have.
It's a hotel.
We don't have a fan, idiot.
Favorite affirmation that I do every day is gratitude is my attitude. It is so awesome because you don't even need to really remember it. I don't have a ceiling fan, sorry. But you don't even need to remember.
I never missed a day, and if I did, show your ceiling. I don't have a ceiling fan.
Right now there's no ceiling fan. So sorry to disappoint.
My ceiling fan? Okay. Ceiling fan is not on, but my regular fan is on.
UFC. My ceiling fan? Sure. I mean, it's not like special. All right, there you go. That's my ceiling fan. So,
What ceiling fan? There's no ceiling fan. There ain't nothing on the ceiling.
It's not that unusual.
I don't have a ceiling fan. I'm just showering. That's what this is.
I'm periscoping over here.